Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I help you become the best dressed man in any room. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a topic that has been highly requested by many of you, but also happens to be one of my personal passions: makeup. More specifically, common makeup mistakes that can sabotage your cross-dressing goals and how to fix them fast. That's right, we're spilling all the beauty secrets that will ensure your makeup game stays flawless every time. So get ready to unlock the secrets to a stunning, polished look. Now, before we dive into our list, let's talk about the elephant in the room, shall we? If you're new here and you're wondering what in the world am I talking about, let me give you a quick breakdown. I've got a unique platform where fashion meets identity. Whether you're a man who loves dressing as a woman who wants to explore gender-bending fashion, or anyone curious about the art of style, this is your go-to place. I share everything from cross-dressing tips to tutorials, product reviews, and real-life transformations. But enough chit-chat, let's get straight into it. Mistake number 1. Wrong foundation. Shade. Starting off strong with a classic blunder that trips up even the most seasoned. Crossdressers wearing the wrong foundation shade. This is like putting on a mask. It's noticeable and it takes away from your natural beauty. Let's break it down. Why does this happen? Well, often cross-dressers opt for shades that are either too light or too dark for their skin tone. Now, this creates a stark contrast between your face and your neck, giving away your secret, quite literally. My advice: avoid this at all costs. There are numerous foundation shades available, so find the one that suits your skin tone perfectly, test it on your jawline, blend it well, and voila, no one will be the wiser. Quick fix tip: test your foundation on your jawline in natural daylight. Blend slightly into your neck for a seamless look. Trust me, this simple trick can make a world of difference. Mistake no. Too overdrawn or harsh eyebrows. Eyebrows, they're the frames of your face, and when they're not done right, they can definitely give away your look. Here's the deal. Many cross-dressers, in an attempt to achieve a more feminine appearance, end up overdrawing their eyebrows, making them thicker and darker than usual. This is a big no-no. Think of it this way: natural feminine brows are soft, arched, and slightly tapered. They add definition to your eyes without being overly bold. On the other hand, those thick, blocky brows scream masculine. You see, it's all about balance and subtlety. Quick fix tip: use a brow pencil 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural hair and mimic hair strokes instead of coloring in solid blocks. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Mistake number 3. Overly heavy contour and blush. Contouring and blushing are fantastic tools to feminize your face. But like anything else, balance is key. Mistake no. 3 is when many cross-dressers go overboard with the contour and blush, thinking more equals better. Well, newsflash, it doesn't. Imagine this: you've got your contour on point, defining all the right angles. But then you add just a little too much, and suddenly your face looks muddy and overly sharp. Not so feminine. And let's not even get started on the blush. While adding a pop of color to your cheeks is fantastic, applying too much blush can make your face look unnaturally flushed and even childish. Quick fix tip: less is more when it comes to contour. Apply contour just under the cheekbones and blend upward. For blush, focus on the apples of your cheeks to lift your face. Remember, it's all about creating a soft, natural look. Mistake number 4. Ignoring beard shadow. Okay, I bet you didn't see this one coming. The dreaded beard shadow. Even the best makeup routine can fall flat if beard shadow peeks through. This bluish tint underneath the skin can occur even after you've shaved. And if you're not careful, it can show up through your foundation, ruining your flawless look. Many crossdressers overlook this issue because they think shaving and makeup alone will do the trick. But trust me, it's a common problem that needs a special solution. Quick fix tip: use an orange or peach color corrector to neutralize beard shadow before your foundation. It cancels out the blue tones instantly. Pro tip: invest in a good quality color corrector. It's a game changer. Mistake no. 5. Wrong lipstick application. Last but certainly not least, lipstick. Oh, the endless possibilities, the bold statements, the sheer elegance. But here's a mistake that can turn a fabulous look into a fashion faux pas. Picture this: you're rocking a stunning outfit, your makeup is on point, and then you apply your lipstick without lining your lips first. Well, let me tell you, it's a disaster waiting to happen. Without a proper outline, your lipstick can feather and bleed, giving away your secret, and let's not even mention uneven application. It's a common issue that can be a real buzz. Quick fix tip: always line your lips first. You can subtly overline to create fullness. Then fill in with lipstick for a polished finish. And hey, don't be afraid to experiment with colors and textures. Just remember, preparation is key. As a bonus, I'm throwing in an extra tip that's sure to seal the deal. Setting spray: don't even think about leaving the house without it, especially if you plan on a long night out. This magical elixir keeps your makeup in place, no matter what. It's like a shield against sweat, humidity, and all the other elements that could potentially ruin your look. Now, I know what you're thinking. Makeup might seem like a minefield of mistakes, but fear not, my friend. With these tips and tricks up your sleeve, you'll be navigating this world like a pro. Remember, it's not about covering up, it's about enhancing your natural beauty. So embrace the power of makeup, own your unique style, and never let a little thing like a makeup mishap bring you down. And there you have it, my dear viewers. Ivy just unveiled the top 5 makeup mistakes that crossdressers make and armed you with quick fixes to make sure they never catch you off guard. But our journey together is far from over. I want to hear from you. Have you encountered these mistakes? What are some challenges you've faced with makeup? And what are your go-to tips and tricks? Drop a comment below and let's have a conversation. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. And if you're feeling extra generous, why not share this video with a friend who might also find it helpful? Until next time, stay fabulous, stay authentic, and remember, it's not just about how you look, it's about how you feel. Rock your look with confidence and let your inner radiance shine through. Thanks for joining me on this fantastic journey. I'll catch you in the next video.